Hello, and welcome to my quick mortgage rate update where we talk about mortgage rates and, more importantly, the cost of rates. I've said this before and I'll say it many times again. The rates don't go up and down every day. The cost of rates goes up and down every day, similar to how the market fluctuates on a daily basis. So if you haven't seen the screen before, it's very simple to read. We have the rate, which is the percentage here. We have the loan payment that I recently added, and we have this cost. This cost is something that the investor sets, and this changes every day. So depending on what this number is, the dollar amount and the cost translate here. So this is sometimes refers to as the discount point, and we get this dollar amount and cost by taking the loan amount and we multiply by this cost or this discount point and in dollar amount. So for example, today, this is today's rates for a regular 5% down conventional mortgage. If you were to lock a 6.625% rate, this would be the cost. This is probably one of the cheaper rates. You would be obligated to pay that in discount points, a one-time fee, and you would secure 6.625. If you wanted to spend a little bit more money, you could definitely do that. And I would probably recommend doing this big of a jump and get a 6.125. And this is the cost for that. Tomorrow, this might be different. On 7/15, this rate had this cost. So you can see it jumped a little bit, similar with this one. It jumped, let's see, 6.625. Last time I reviewed this was on 7/11. So there's definitely an increase there. So this is again, a conforming standard conventional mortgage with 5% down. I do always show this one. It's a home ready, home possible, affordable mortgage. You have to qualify for this. I'm almost done making the video, so I will be showing that shortly to see if you actually qualify. But this particular one is a lot cheaper. So you can pause the video or we can just go back and forth just so you can do a comparison. This is a regular, this is the affordable mortgage. And 6.5% is $565 here. 6.125 is just under $2,000. So if you didn't qualify for that and you wanted 6.125, you would have to pay $3,200 versus $2,000. So a little bit of saving there. And just wrapping this up real quick with investment purchase. If you were to do 25% down on a single unit or a one unit, this is what we're looking at right now. There's a slight increase from last week's rates. And if you want a 6.5%, there's the rate for that. If you wanted to do 20% down, which is a bare minimum, keep in mind this is 25% down. If you want to do 20% down on a one unit, these numbers go up quite a bit. So again, 6.5 is 98.23 versus 86.36. You always have to make that decision. Do I want to do bare minimum and 20% down and save a little bit of extra money? You have ROI to consider, but keep in mind that you're going to spend a little bit more for that interest rate. All right. I hope you found this useful. Tune in, subscribe, so you can see more of these.